Okay, this is a bonding unit. I'm going to put the lid down. These are the securing clamps. I have a chiller hooked up to this unit. There are barb fittings that go in the side, but they are not shown here because for testing purposes I had to disconnect them so I could hook up our chiller. And vacuum pump is hooked up over here onto their vacuum hookup line. These units are not included with this. I've secured this down. I'm going to make sure that my chamber and sample is closed. We're reading 0. I have pressure. Pressure is dependent upon what you desire, and that can be adjusted up or down. I've got a program already run in here, and I'm going to hit start. It's going to begin the process. And if you look on this gauge and here, you can see on both places that we have a vacuum now. The vacuum has come down. And it's in the outgas stage. And after a minute, it'll go into the bonding phase. You can see it switched over to bonding. Remain there for a user-defined time. Not still in the bonding phase, that's okay. Okay, at this point, you can see we've transitioned over to the heating phase. Keep an eye, it just started, so we'll keep an eye on the actual temperature here. We should see this begin to increase. You can see we've reached the temperature, bonding temperature reached. Now it goes into soak. And you can hear that noise. That is the oil cooler kicking in, and it will control at that temperature for the soak time. I have it set very short, so we should, in a short amount of time, see it start to cool. And as you can see, we've advanced to the cool phase, and you can see the temperature dropping here, and you can hear that the oil heat exchanger has kicked in, transferring oil to the back to the heat exchanger, which is then going to the chiller.